What is going on, you guys? It is a brand new segment on this channel. It is Toothless Tuesdays, everybody. Let's go. Tuesday. 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 And it actually is still Tuesday. I've been super busy today, procrastinating, so that's why I'm recording this at 10:20 p.m. Let's hope I get this video up on time. Everybody, smash like to pray the first Toothless Tuesdays gets up on an actual Tuesday. This is going to be a new segment. What I'm going to do with this is just talk to you guys about just stuff that's going on, keep you all up to date. Today I figured the best way to do that is to tell you guys my plans with my Scion TC. I'm going to move over here and show you the actual render that I made for my TC. This is gonna be like, this is my end goal. It'll be slightly different. I think it'll like, hopefully it'll look cooler, but I'm so excited for this. Here we go, TC render. You guys ready? Can we get a drum roll? Bah! Oh wait, hold on, let me get out of the way. How do I get out of Bah! Ta-da! So this right here, guys, this is my end goal. This is hopefully gonna be my TC sooner than later. It's got the Rocket Bunny kit on it. I'm absolutely in love with the way this looks. I love the livery. I pretty much just took the Advan one and then just switched the way that the lines go and made it blue and spaced them out more, but I think it's gonna look so good. I'm gonna do matte. Can I make this bigger? What I'm planning on doing is back here with I want that to be like a nice matte black. I think the black would look super sick in a matte black, and then the blue, nice glossy like Scion blue color, and then the Toothless logo I'll have glossy because then that way it'll really pop against the black. I'm so excited to do this. This has been my dream since I've got the car. This is honestly why I got it. When I was getting the TC, when I was shopping for it, I was looking at that, at my TC, and then a TRD edition FRS, and my god, it looked so sick. I was like, ah! It was yellow, so cool, but I couldn't fit my hockey equipment in it. I played goalie at the time, so then I needed, goalie in hockey is a lot of equipment. So I needed the space, so that's why I got the TC, because the hatch can open right up. Oh my god, I'm just going to go into every single thing that I want to do with my car. Honestly, subscribe if this is interesting you, because it's going to happen. I'm going to do it. I'm so excited that I'm finally doing this. Like, a lot of people, I think one of the main reasons why I honestly get a decent amount of hate on my car right now. If you don't know what it looks like, hold on, here's my car. Look at this big rice rocket right here. Boom, that's my car. And I think it's because a lot of people think that it's done, and I'm not even close to being done with it, because as you can see, this has got a long ways to go before it turns into this. And I'm so excited for it to turn into this. It's going to be an absolute journey. I'm just really excited to share the whole process with you guys. But yeah, we're going to start off with the seats in it that I'm going to get. Brom Alpha X's, but in white. These bad boys, my god. These bad boys, I think they look so good. These with some black Takata Drift 3 harnesses with the white Brom harness bar, I think would absolutely slap. These bad boys, I get the black because it matches better. The green is obviously super iconic, but the black I think matches better. So I'm gonna go with that. And if you're wondering why I'm going with the Drift 3, it's because these are the only street legal ones. I want to be able to wear the harness on the street. I think that's so cool. I also just got out of the shower. I don't know if you guys can tell how fresh I look right now. The main part, the Rocket Bunny kit, I forgot to mention. This bad boy, I was emailing Gretty about. Obviously, it's made in Japan. It's got to get shipped to the States from Japan. But to ship it from California, where Gretty's headquarters is, to Canada, the kit itself was $2,100 US. To ship it is $1,600 US from California to Canada. That's nuts. I am not paying that. So what I was thinking, I just go drive down there. And I wanted to install the kit myself. I think that would be such a fun video. But if I'm driving down there, I calculated the duty on, I think it's $500 that I have to pay in duty to cross the border back into Canada. So I may as well just use that money to get it installed down there. Once the borders open up after this whole situation that's going on with the world right now, solves itself. I'll drive down to the States and pick it up. I mean, I haven't checked with Gretty, but I'm sure that wouldn't be an issue. Plus, road trip with the boys? That, I think, will just be such an amazing experience. I'm a big Sharks fan, and you can see the Sharks jersey right here. Boom, yeah, Sharks jersey right there. But I've always wanted to go to California, so I think to just go down there on a nice road trip with the boys, bring the car, get the car wide body kit installed, it would be, I think, so much fun. It would be amazing. And then plus, I want to, like, if you're brand new to this channel, I make car edits, like what was behind me earlier. I make car edits like this, and I think that if I go down there and I road trip, I may as well make a bunch of stops and then do like a toothless tour. Take rollers, make a bunch of edits and clips of the sick cars in the States. So if anyone's down to do that, that would be so much fun, I think, for like on the way to California. And then on the way back, obviously, I think that'd be so cool. And for the livery itself, is it livery? I'm gonna be honest, I don't know how to say the word, but I'll just get it wrapped anywhere. I'm not really picky as long as they do a good job. My boy Arpy, who does our decals, the toothless decals, he's actually able to do this giant toothless one right here. And I'm thinking instead of the katakana in the Japanese, at the beginning, I would switch it out and make it say media, and then at the end have the Japanese say team. And then that way everyone will know Toothless is a media company. But then I'm going to need wheels. And then I did some Google Maps work, right? So over here, we got the Gretty Performance Products HQ. It's a 45-minute drive to 3-piece US. So then I could get some sick 3-piece wheels to make it fit the body kit, because obviously I'm going to need to get wider wheels. I don't want to put spacers on it. I've always wanted to get some nice 3-piece wheels, and I think this would be, I mean, this is the opportunity to do it. So my dream wheel right here. This is the Workmeister. Oh my god. So nice, the Workmeisters S1s. But like, oh, I freaking love these. My favorite wheels are the Work VSKF, Meisters, and VSXXs. I think those are all so nice. And like these are the first wheel that I really fell in love with. And they're so beautiful, but you just see them everywhere, and that made me kind of fall out of love with them. I mean, when I still see them in person, I'd still get hard on. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, it's still so sexy. But then I came across the VSKFs, and then I was like, oh lord, baby, because look how sick these are. Out of all of them, my favorite one's gotta be the Meister. Like, oh, look at that bad boy. It goes so freaking hard in the black. The headlights, I actually want to retrofit my headlights and do like my own custom design. Pretty much everyone in the TC community, they all typically do this design with them, and it looks so good. I love it. I like, especially like this Slow Sweetie TC. Give her a follow. She absolutely killed the lights. That looks so good. Look at this, my god. Look how freaking sick these are. He's got the Circuit Demon X Halos. Looks so good, my god. And I want to do something kind of like that, but X Halos are obviously so sick. I'll see if I end up like, I'll definitely put a halo in of some sort, either X or regular. But all the TC guys, we all do this, the zhup zhup zhup, and I love it. It looks good, but I want to try to do something different. So I've actually got a practice headlight that I can use from when my car got hit. Right here, and look how freaking big these headlights are, by the way. They don't look this big in the car, but like, damn, they're pretty big. There's actually a hole back here from where it got hit, so it's not sealed. But the actual housing itself is good, so that when I get to do my actual headlights, I should just be able to take the lens off of the one and then put it onto here. But we've got lots of stuff coming up this year, lots of videos, lots of edits are coming up. This Sunday I'm supposed to be shooting with somebody who's got some really sick cars, so stay tuned for that. And today actually I ordered some new parts for this. I'll share with you guys on YouTube with what they are. On Instagram I'm a little more like, I guess, secretive, like with like the parts, but YouTube I want us to be involved together, so I'm gonna share everything on here, so make sure you guys subscribe. But I actually just copped these bad boys today. I'm so excited for them to come in. First thing you're gonna see is 2011 and 2013 Scion TC. Ethan, you've got a 2016, you dumbass. No, you can make these fit as long as you cut the bumper a little bit. It'll be a little mod. I'll make a nice tutorial video on the install, and I'm just so excited for how these are gonna look. I know a couple of people with the 2014 to 2016s have done it. For example, same guy I showed you earlier, JGVTC, and just look at this ass, guys. My God, look at that. Can you see? Look how good that looks. My God. What he did here is he cut the bumper down here at the bottom to make it fit, and he did such a good job. I cannot wait to do this. I think it looks so good. So I'm super excited for these to come in. One complaint about Specdy's website, my God, you annoying motherfuckers, this right here will not stop popping up. And then the way you buy them, I spent like an hour trying to figure out how to buy them off the website here, because they're like available in stock, and I tried, looked, and I messaged them on Facebook. I had logged in a messenger here where it keeps on annoyingly popping up and bugging you about it, and then they're like, oh, you gotta go to K2 Mortar to buy it. So if you want to get them, K2 Mortar, and what you do is you go over to here and you copy the SKU right here, you just Control C, and then you go over to K2 Mortar, you just paste it on in here, and they come up for you right there. So that's how you buy them. They're on sale right now, pretty good price. That's in Canadian, although if you're from Canada you'll have to pay duty, and they're having a sale right now actually, super quick. K2 Spring 5, you just copy and paste that. So I forgot how much I paid for them. I just bought them like an hour ago, but including duty and what the, oh, my bad here. Let's turn this down. Boop. Boop. Because look, here's the shipping cost right here, and then duties and taxes right here. This is how much they cost right here. If you're in Canada, I feel like you guys in the States are watching this like, oh my God. But yeah, that's what's like being a car guy in Canada. It sucks. I don't know how long the video's been going on for, but let's hope it hasn't been going on for too long, because I ordered this. I'm so excited. I am an ungodly amount of excited for this. Look how good it looks on the cars. Oh, it looks, I think it just looks so good. That's beautiful. I'm so excited. An actual like real carbon fiber part on my rice rocket. That's unheard of. I'm so excited. Also on my car, I've got this front hood deflector. Here's a video right here on where to buy one of them if you want one. I've never seen anyone put this on the carbon fiber hood, and I just think it would look so good together. So I'm super excited for that as well. I think that'll look amazing. This right here, this is the end goal, and it's going to happen. So make sure you guys subscribe to follow along with the journey. I'm so excited for this, every little piece that's like slowly coming together. I'm really happy. I'm so excited, and I just can't wait to share this whole experience with you guys. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this first episode of Toothless Tuesdays. Making history right here. The owner of the local Dreamers team was nice enough to reach out to me, and they sent me this nice package right here, and we're just gonna do a quick unboxing and see what they sent me. And yeah, here we go. We're opening this up, and there's some goodies in here. Opening it up first, they sent, wow, they sent me a banner. Hell yeah. And okay, they sent me some nice stickers. Here we go. Look at that, local Dreamers team, baby. Damn, these are some nice slaps. Right here, boom. And nice, boom. Huh? They also sent me a shirt. Okay. Oh, this is sick. This is sick. In the front, you got their logo right here, and then in the back, it's also their logo, local Dreamers, established in 2017. And you ready? You ready? 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 Cool transition. Okay, look at the drip. My God. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, local Dreamers team, so much for all the stuff. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you all. And make sure you guys subscribe to join Team Toothless, baby. We're going to the top. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you all. Easy, 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 easy.